In this video, we'll share the best tips and tricks for booking hostels on El Camino. We'll also guide you on how to walk El Camino in a way that's uniquely yours.
Exploring different types of albergues along the Camino de Compostela is a truly awe-inspiring experience that can be both educational and deeply rewarding. From cozy family-run albergues to modern and efficient establishments, there is something for everyone on this ancient pilgrimage route. With a wide variety of sizes, styles and services available, you are sure to find an accommodation option that suits your needs perfectly during your journey. If you are looking to stay in an albergue during your travels, it is important to make sure that you choose one that meets all of your needs and fits within your budget. There are a few factors to consider before making a decision, such as the location and amenities available. Compare prices between different albergues and determine which ones offer the best value for money. Also, read online reviews to get an idea of what other travelers have experienced at each location. Nothing prevents you to travel with your dog, but the questions: will your dog be able to finish El Camino de Compostela? More than 90% of albergues, hostels or hotels do not accept dogs. While many places can supply you with sheets for a fee, it might be wise to bring your own, or before making reservations, ask if they supply clean sheets. If you want to improvise your way to El Camino de Compostela, or hate to pay for overnight albergues, then bring your own pop-up tent. There are a lot of places that if you don't make it on time to check in, you can sleep on your tent. Always check the laws with authorities of each town. It is always smart to travel with a physical map of the area, in case you can't get connected to Wi-Fi. Carry foldable raincoats in a pouch for those unexpected rain showers. Furthermore, check the conditions of each accommodation before booking. For example, amenities like air conditioning or free Wi-Fi may be included in some albergues. Albergues in Camino de Compostela. It's important to note that many albergues operate on a first-come, first-served basis, so it's a good idea to arrive early in the day to secure a spot. Additionally, some albergues require a credential or pilgrim's passport to stay, which can be obtained from various locations along the Camino de Santiago. We compiled a list of a few albergues along the Camino de Santiago. The cost of albergues, hostels, along the Camino de Santiago varies depending on the location, facilities, and time of year. However, in general, albergues are inexpensive and can be a great option for budget-conscious travelers. Here are some examples of albergues and their estimated costs. Albergue de Peregrinos de Roncesvalles. Located in the town of Roncesvalles, at the beginning of the French Way, this albergue offers basic facilities such as bunk beds, shared bathrooms, and a communal kitchen. The cost is around €10 to €15 per night and per person. Albergues Peregrinos de Estella. Located in the town of Estella, on the French Way, this albergue offers a range of facilities including private rooms, a kitchen, and a terrace. The cost is around €10 to €15 per night and per person. Albergues de Burgos. Located in the city of Burgos, on the French Way, this albergue offers a range of facilities including bunk beds, private rooms, a kitchen, and a common room. The cost is around €10 to €20 per night and per person. Albergues de Peregrinos Ponferrada. Located in the town of Ponferrada, on the French Way, it offers basic facilities including bunk beds, shared bathrooms, and a communal kitchen. The cost is around €10 to €15 per night and per person. Albergues de Peregrinos de Lyon. Located in the city of Lyon, on the French Way, this albergue offers basic facilities including bunk beds, shared bathrooms, and a kitchen. The cost is around €10 to €15 per night and per person. Albergues de Peregrinos de Astorga. Located in the town of Astorga, on the French Way, this albergue offers basic facilities including bunk beds, shared bathrooms, and a kitchen. The cost is around €10 to €15 per night and per person. Albergues de Peregrinos de Triacastella. Located in the town of Triacastella, on the French Way, this albergue offers basic facilities including bunk beds, shared bathrooms, and a kitchen. The cost is around €10 to €15 per night and per person. Albergues de Peregrinos de Portamarin. Located in the town of Portamarin, on the French Way, this albergue offers facilities including bunk beds, shared bathrooms, and a kitchen. The cost is around €10 to €15 per night and per person. Albergues de Peregrinos de Santiago de Compostela. Located in the city of Santiago de Compostela, at the end of the French Way, this albergue offers basic facilities including bunk beds, shared bathrooms, and a kitchen. The cost is around €10 to €15 per night and per person. Albergues de Peregrinos de Penarios. Located in the city of Santiago de Compostela, it is a part of a historic monastery and offers private rooms and a range of facilities including a restaurant and laundry service. The cost is around €25 to €50 per night and per person. Albergues de Peregrinos de Finisterre. Located in the town of Finisterre, at the end of the Camino Finisterre, they offers basic facilities including bunk beds, shared bathrooms, and a kitchen. The cost is around €10 to €15 per night and per person. Albergue de Peregrinos Peregrinos de Muxia, located in the town of Muxia, at the end of Camino. Also, they offer basic facilities including bunk bed, shared bathrooms, and a kitchen. The cost is around €10 to €15 per night and per person. Albergues de Peregrinos de Fistera, located in the town of Fistera, at the end of the Camino Fistera, they have basic facilities including bunk beds, shared bathrooms, and a kitchen. The cost is around €10 to €15 per night and per person. Albergues de Peregrino de Ocabrero, located in the town of Ocebrero, on the French Way, this albergue offers basic facilities including bunk beds, shared bathrooms, and a kitchen. The cost is around €10 to €15 per night per person. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more awesome content. Click the video left box for more tips and tricks to Camino de Compostela. I promise to bring you 2 to 3 amazing travel videos every week, so keep a lookout. If you are looking to experience the true essence of a place and its culture while traveling, then staying in an albergue could be the perfect choice for you. Albergues offer a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the local community and gain a true insight into the rich history, customs and traditions that make up that particular place. Plus, these accommodation options are usually cost-effective, so you'll be able to enjoy all these wonderful experiences without breaking your budget.
Tips for making the most of your El Camino de Santiago experience. How you can make it your way. Making it your way can mean different things to different people. Making it your way involves taking ownership of your own life and pursuing the things that matter most to you first. With dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to take risks, you can create a fulfilling and meaningful life that reflects your own unique vision and values. Here are some general tips that might help you make your own way in life. Define your own goals and values. Take some time to reflect on what's most important to you in life. This might include things like your career, relationships, health, spirituality, or personal growth. Once you have a clear sense of your values and priorities, you can start setting goals that align with them. Take ownership of your decisions. Instead of relying on others to make decisions for you, take ownership of your own choices. This might mean doing research, seeking out advice, and weighing the pros and cons of different options before making a decision. Embrace your unique qualities. Recognize that you have your own unique strengths, talents, and perspectives. Embrace these qualities and find ways to leverage them in your life. As you learn new skills, accept your limitations and develop strategies to work within them. Be realistic about what you can do, and how many miles you can do per day. Try to always be learning how to get better at what you are doing while staying true to who you are. Think long-term. It will help you achieve realistic goals and maintain focus. Be willing to take risks. Making your own way often involves taking risks and stepping outside of your comfort zone. Be willing to try new things and take on challenges, even if they feel scary or uncertain. Learn from your failures. No one succeeds at everything they try. When you experience failure or setbacks, try to learn from them and use them as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Build a supportive network. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage your goals and values. Seek out mentors, coaches, and friends who can help you stay motivated and accountable. What are the worst mistakes people make in El Camino de Santiago? While the Camino de Santiago is a journey of self-discovery, there are a few common mistakes that people make that can detract from the experience from making it your way. Some of the worst mistakes include overpacking. Many people overpack for the Camino, which can make the journey more difficult than it needs to be. You will be carrying your pack with you every day, so it's important to pack light and only bring essentials. Not training. The Camino is a physically demanding journey, and it's important to train beforehand to avoid injury and fatigue. Walking with a weighted pack, hiking, and strength training can all help prepare you for the journey. Ignoring foot care. Foot care is essential on the Camino. Make sure to wear comfortable, broken-in shoes, bring moleskin or blister bandages, and take breaks to rest your feet. Not respecting the culture. The Camino passes through many small towns and villages, and it's important to respect the local culture and customs. This includes dressing modestly, not making excessive noise, and being respectful of local traditions and beliefs. Rushing the journey. Some people try to rush through the Camino, completing it in the shortest amount of time possible. This can lead to missing out on the experience and not taking time to appreciate the journey. The Camino is a personal journey, and everyone's experience will be different. However, avoiding these common mistakes can help make the journey your own and more enjoyable and fulfilling. Are there small-paying jobs on El Camino? Yes, there are opportunities for small-paying jobs or volunteer work on the Camino de Santiago, although they may not be abundant. Some examples of paying jobs or volunteer work that pilgrims can do along the Camino include working at an albergue. Hostel. Many albergues are run by volunteers, and they may offer free accommodation and meals in exchange for help with cooking, cleaning, and other tasks. Working at a restaurant or cafe. Some restaurants and cafes may offer part-time or seasonal jobs for pilgrims who are looking to earn some extra money. Selling goods or services. Some pilgrims sell crafts, jewelry, or other goods along the Camino. Others may offer services such as massage, yoga, or Reiki. Farm work. Some farms along the Camino offer temporary work for pilgrims during the harvest season. It's important to keep in mind that paying jobs and volunteer opportunities may not be readily available or easy to find, and they should not be the primary focus of your Camino experience. Additionally, it's important to obtain the proper permits and documentation for working in Spain, if applicable. How about having a cheese journey? Are there cheeses in El Camino? Yes, there are many types of cheese that you can try along the Camino de Santiago. Each region along the Camino has its own traditional cheeses, often made with local milk and using techniques that have been passed down through generations. Here are some examples of cheeses you might find along the Camino. Queso de tortilla. This is a soft, creamy cheese from Galicia that is made with cow's milk. It has a mild flavor and is often served as a dessert cheese. Queso de cabrales. This cheese is made from raw cow's milk and is aged for at least a year. It has a slightly sharp flavor with a nutty aftertaste. Queso de cabrales. This is a blue cheese from Asturias that is made with cow, sheep, and/or goat milk. It has a strong flavor and is often crumbled over salads or served with bread. Idiazabal. This is a semi-hard cheese from the Basque country that is made with sheep's milk. It has a nutty flavor and is often grated over dishes or served on a cheese plate. Roncal. This is a hard cheese from Navarra that is made with sheep's milk. It has a sharp flavor and is often used in cooking or served as a snack. Mayan Menorca. This is a cheese from the Balearic Islands that is made with cow's milk. It has a tangy flavor and is often served as a snack or grated over dishes. Manchego. This is a cheese from Castilla-La Mancha that is made with sheep's milk. It has a nutty flavor and is often used in cooking or served on a cheese plate. These are just a few examples of the cheeses you can try along the Camino de Santiago. Be sure to ask locals and fellow pilgrims for recommendations, as there are many regional specialties that you won't want to miss. What is the cheapest nutritious food? There are many nutritious foods that can be budget-friendly, depending on where you are and what's available. Here are some examples of cheap and nutritious foods. Beans and lentils. These are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and other nutrients. They are also very affordable and can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and wraps. Oats. Oats are a great source of fiber and can be used to make porridge, oatmeal cookies, granola, and more. They are often very affordable and can be purchased in bulk. Eggs are a good source of protein and other nutrients. They are also relatively inexpensive, can be used in a variety of dishes, from omelets to frittatas to egg salad sandwiches. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are also relatively inexpensive and can be used in a variety of dishes, from roasted sweet potatoes to sweet potato fries to sweet potato pie. Canned tuna. It is also relatively inexpensive and can be used in a variety of dishes, from tuna salad to tuna casserole to tuna sandwiches. Canned tuna is a good source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. These are just a few examples of cheap and nutritious foods. Be sure to look for deals and shop in bulk to save money on groceries, and consider cooking at home instead of eating out at El Camino de Santiago to save even more money and time.